Cybercrime unit arrests 16 persons, including 12 students, in connection with uploading of Class 12 examinations on social media. Chief Minister, in his first visit to Hill District, sees Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus in Makhan. Amuko extends help to landslide victims of Sidarakhong in Ukhrul District. Farmers who opted for organic farming are worried about marketing their products. And Pavan Kumar's Loktak Lairindi bags Best Film on Environment Conservation. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News and I'm Premi Thangcham, bringing you the top stories. Imphal West Cybercrime Unit has arrested 16 persons, including 12 students of Class 11 and Class 12, in connection with uploading of question paper of Class 12 examination on social media before the examination. 4 of the arrested persons were produced before the media at the conference hall of SP Imphal West. Additional SP in Cybercrime Imphal West in charge, Dr. S. Ibomcha, and Cybercrime Unit arrested the accused persons within 24 hours after Secretary of Council of Higher Secondary Education Manipur, Dr. Maishnam Vidyasagar, lodged a complaint with the SP. Imphal West on April 5th. The arrested persons are identified as T. Tyson, 26, an admin of a WhatsApp group, son of late Taurangbam Imocha from Patsoi Part 1 Lamkai, Moirangtam Naucha alias Sanayaima, 21, son of 24, son of Laishram Nungsi Kanta from Kumbi, Terakhong E. Musuk, 21, son of Ilangbam Bitoy from Hyangla Makhaleka, and 12 other students. The additional SP said investigation is going on to find out how the question papers got leaked. He said the arrested students of Class 11 and 12 will soon be produced before the Juvenile Justice Board. He also appealed to people to inform the police if they come to know about question paper being leaked.
Pung tara dagi hogadaba exam si masing hak walingaida pung mapan ga minute kun maswai dagi thongnarakpa aduga Facebook ga thaganarakpa sugumbagi crime ama yam chawba crime ama toknarakpa adudagi akoi yam immediate action lokhachabani adudagi akoi within 24 hour gi manungda akoi masi cyber crime gi case asi akoi crack toi akoi chhatra sing laik padaba maduda oina concentrate tawraga leiba aduga Chhatra Laik Fazana Pazaba Kambu, like Paningakaba, Sumba Mayama Orakpa, like Yamna Paramba Kambudu, Mani Pagadaba, Nomanini do da quay revised Fazan, Tahugdana, Quay high river question do that Yamna Hazaba Tamudana Moy, Chhatra Singasi, Quay, Lone Mangbayaba, Orakoya, the Gimasik, and Navigamakta, Quay, Masito Jabani.
Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren, in his first visit to a hill district after becoming the Chief Minister today, inspected Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus situated in Makhan in Kangpokpi district. During the visit, the Chief Minister once again mentioned that the anti-corruption cell has received about 400 complaints and FIR has been lodged in connection with some genuine cases. Director in charge of the regional campus urged the Chief Minister to make arrangement to meet the needs of the campus. The Chief Minister told him to submit the list of requirements so that he can discuss the matter with the HRD Ministry. Biren also met the faculty members and students of the university and appealed to them to work hard to improve the standard of the university. He assured them of construction of security barracks and deployment security personnel on the campus. Tribal and Hill Areas Minister in Kieshi, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kibgan, Parliamentary Secretary Dingo and top officials of Education Department accompanied the Chief Minister during the visit.
Promotion pibada magi kari haisi koigi favoritism nepotism tawi haibagumba adugumba khara laye adu koina koigi screening committee nu tawrkana koin tawrisi magi concerned police station singda maming matha tawrga madin witness pireba my phone number maming matha loi pireba adu madu akoina di madu disclose do boya damina police sing dun tawrkanda or jaga jaga dugi osi khangde am khangme tawrkanda moina kaurga investigate tawrkanda proof puthokanda tawdoini ujimak madu ai jack khangma ngamdri khara genuine noiba khara haidi punish to boya ba haitare ne adu ge khara select tawri.
The first round of talks between the government and Joint Action Committee against anti-tribal bills Churachandpur was held today at CM Secretariat with Chief Minister Nongthong Bambiren in the chair. An official press release said the Chief Minister expressed his desire to let the families perform the last rites of the dead persons. He said any problem can be resolved through dialogues and appealed to the JAC and the people of Churachandpur to come to the negotiating table as the government is ready to resolve any issue for the betterment of the state and people. Biren thanked the JAC for responding to government's appeal for talks. The JAC against anti-tribal bills also submitted a charter of demands to the government. The next round of talks has been tentatively fixed on April 10th. Works Minister T.H. Bishwajit, Agriculture Veterinary Minister V. Hankalian, Social Welfare Minister Nemcha Kibgan, TD and Hills Minister N. Kaishi, Chief Secretary O. Nabakishore, DGP L.M. Kaute, Law Secretary T.H. Kamini Kumar and Deputy Commissioner Churachandpur R. Sudhan also participated in the meeting. The JAC against anti-tribal bills was led by its Chief Convener H. Mangchinkup, representatives of Young Paite Association, United Zhou Organization, Didim Chin Union, Mizo People Convention were also present at the talk. Indian Ambassador to Myanmar Bikram Mishri today inspected the integrated checkpost ICP under construction in Mori. He was accompanied by DC of Tengnopal, K.H. Raghumani, ADC and Gojendro, SP S. Somorjit, Brigadier of 26th Sector Assam Rifles, R.K. Singh and other officials. Bikram Mishri inquired about the details of the length of ICP to the contractors. The team later inspected the border pillar number 78, More Gate number 2 and the no man's land between Myanmar and India. Health Minister L. Jayantakumar today inaugurated a gastroenterology unit for performing endoscopy tests at the Medicine Department of Jawaharlal Nehru Institute of Medical Sciences, JANIMS. Speaking on the occasion, Jayantakumar expressed his happiness at the installation of the life-saving machine at JANIMS. He was hopeful that it will help in the treatment of serious medical problems. The minister said patients from Manipur and outside the state will benefit from the machine. It will also be cost effective. He said plans are in place to expand the unit and also to equip with various other machines.
Anu set of new equipment madu amung lagani adu madu la matun dari yamna khogi mowong ta makal setup mama soina laigani khalni aduna. It is my humble request ai sagi health minister magi ki site ki masung department site ki delo government site ki yaragati somai to life saving equipment sing jinims to leire update to with trained hands leire and have do mayam the propagate to view at mayam to kangan view aduna khoi mayam se masi sacrifice samag loina na khoi ki jinims si hena chokat pa masung yi punsi de hena mating pangbo amung su kan mangam bo isi.
Members of All Manipur Clubs organization Amuko today met the landslide affected people of Shirarakhong in Ukhrul district. They appealed to the government to look into the problems faced by the people and take necessary steps to help them. The team led by Amuko President P.H. Deban met village headman W. Zimek and chairman of Shirarakhong Village Authority Ayao Longba and extended financial help to them. Speaking to media persons, Amuko President P.H. Deban said Amuko will extend every possible help to the affected villagers. Shirarakhong Hetman W. Zimek expressed gratitude to the Amuko team for visiting the village and helping them. Meanwhile, BRTF began repairing of 130-feet road stretch which was damaged by the landslide.
Sumaina Sarkarna yamna initiative launa athuba matamda narang lawkibudagi hena hojik lambi nakanda divert tawduna chalibasi chu adum masi dangerous oiba stage amada adum lairi aduna athubada government haiba mafamse thuna construction haunanaba aduga mafamsi khunja singna ngasi yung kai laitadana amada koichen chen tawse masidagi athuba matamda relief phanganaba honabiyo haibasi masu appeal tawjari
nongsa thiba hore hojik pudi yumlak mari da ne sokri bisi ado risky area oiba si roina paba ganna hojikti 26 houses sukre mokoina sida thokani sipau thokani haina hairam basi ado nai khoisu kram tawrosira haina khan basi thoktri hojik phaude ado boi khoisu ekhoi ishor lei ishor da prathana tawraga ishor aphaba du purap pigini habi gi asade adum leire.
Health Minister Jayanta Kumar said efforts are on to promote health tourism on Indo-Myanmar border in Moreh. Moreh has already been declared as international market. The minister also said a cancer treatment unit at Jenims will be opened at the earliest. He was speaking at a free medical camp organized under the supervision of Chief Medical Officer Imphal West at Kwakaithel, Nganapithong, Mapal. Jayanta Kumar also said the health camp is held as a precautionary measure against communicable waterborne diseases that might affect the people in the wake of the recent flash floods in the state. He also said free medical camp in other flood-affected areas will also be held soon. Free medicines were also distributed to people who came for treatment at the camp.
International market yam thuna ondoraba so ondana leraba declare toraba bakal Moreh lambi da koi health tourism and habimatu concept madu tawna boi tawri de loina Manipur da cancer patients yam jati na hengat pa habe Mumbai da salaga yam sathi ba huge I amount of money invest over lying na bagi madu ko ngana ba habe gi madu gi wakhalon da koi Jenims da koi gi cancer gi ba tongan ba bakal unit achoba ma madu ma hangna ba habe gi madu almost sanction tawna laire adagi gi mental health nasa anuba concept ni ada mental health ki matang da koi gi hostel ma sana ba habe gi madu pipeline da hojik laire madu anytime lakin anuba gi ne habe gi koi shem sana laire.
Young Development Association, Koiro, under the aegis of Directorate of Ayush, organized one-day free medical camp in Thongju, Part 2, Koiro today. 3 Ayush doctors and nurses along with 8 paramedical staff performed medical check-up on more than 200 people. Free medicines were also distributed at the camp. Medical officer Dr. Khairakpam Hemanta said the camp is organized after the flash flood. Today's was the second camp and 4 such camps will be held in Thongju constituency.
Government of Manipur, Ayush Department ki makhami makhada sing sound sohallaba affected areas sing that do issue pateng pangmangaba Ayush Department na sinduna nasi sina sida koiro akoi club asida akoi sigi free camp sinmani masi sida koina khatki da solak mayam se masibo koina khado so Ayush Department na ngasai home practice faculty gi amu oina masida ana ring sing da mateng pangboy la koina sigi help asida koina mateng pang.
The government today distributed relief items to 198 flood-affected households in Nauria, Pakang Lakpa constituency. The relief was distributed under the supervision of MLA Soibam Subhash Chandra at Haubam Marak, Irom Laikai Community Hall. 10 kg rice, 3 kg pulse, edible oil, salt and candles were given to the flood victims.
Langthaban makhara kai gi imung khara lep ki lokon da gi haijalakpa ising jina sang bai khoi gi akhana ba yung khara prang khong chingya da khoi nong hong thor pa niu ningomangge adu khara ising jauna nga ba khudong chadra ba imung jinga je department gi staff singa loina nai khoi gi survey masalaba matung da khoi gi taseng na ising thumma ba du gumba imung jinga du khak khanga charakanda khoi pijabani MLA gi tongam ba khoi nate khoi Manipur sarkar na relief ki damakta du gumba ising thumma ba imung jing du khada da pina na ba itna pibirak pol relief ki metren jing dunia aduna khoi hairi ba mafam jing du gi taseng ising thumma ba jing da jo khoi na pijagani.
Premi Canal in Imphal East District is being cleaned in many areas as a part of preventive measures against the flash flood in the state. Kurai Development Organization, under the supervision of Kurai MLA El Susindro, organized cleanliness drive in many localities of Kurai where the canal passes to ensure easy passage of water. Blockage of the water body is a major cause for floods in the area. Premi Khong flows through near the Jenims and Ketrigao Assembly constituency and meet at the Kongba River. It may be mentioned that on March 31st, IFCD Minister Letpao Haukip and Kurai MLA inspected many flood-affected areas in Kurai and assured the people of long-term measures to prevent them. Kurai Development Committee, along with NNC Club, organized relief camp and medical camp at Kurai Chingangbam Laikai to help the flood victims of Kurai Kongpal, Chingangbam Laikai, Sejor Laikai, Ningthaubung Laikai and Laisham Laikai. Relief Camp Committee Khabaisoi, Komidok Karong and Central Polling Committee Khabaisoi, Komidok also organized a relief camp, medical camp at Jamai Alima Aziz Educational Trust Complex to help the flood victims today. A 9-member team of United Committee Manipur, UCM, today met the Chief Minister and Biren in his office chamber. The team submitted a fact-finding report on Howland Fire incident and border issue with Myanmar during the meeting. The Chief Minister assured them of taking all possible steps to resolve the issue at the earliest. He also said he had taken a pledge to selflessly work for the people of Manipur. All Manipur Working Journalists Union condoled the death of Naurem Birendra Kumar, a founder member of the union. The union in a press note said Birendra Kumar contributed to investigate journalism and political news reports. It also said the union will always remain indebted to him for his role in promoting journalism in Manipur. Imphal West Commander arrested a member of a gang, Muhammad Firoz Khan, 35 years, son of late Muhammad Majid Ali from Lilong Haure Bigturel, Hanbi, today around 4:30 p.m. 1.32 pistol with a magazine and 1 live round was recovered from his possession. He has been handed over to Wangoi police for further investigation. Today is World Health Day and WHO is leading a 1-year global campaign on depression, which is the leading cause of ill health and disability worldwide. The goal of the campaign is that more people with depression everywhere in the world both seek and get help. World Health Day is celebrated on the 7th of April every year to mark the anniversary of the founding of the World Health Organization. The day provides with a unique opportunity to mobilize action around a specific health topic of concern to people all over the world. More than 300 million people are now living with depression, an increase of more than 18% between 2005 and 2015. It affects people of all ages from all walks of life in all countries. At worst, depression can lead to suicide, now the second leading cause of death among 15 to 29 years old. The World Health Day was also observed in the State Health Society, National Health Mission and Manipur, and India Public Health Association Manipur State Branch observed the day at the auditorium of School of A&M FHW Lamphel. Speaking at the event, Director of Health Services Dr. O. Ibumcha said depression is a leading cause of suicide and the numbers of persons, both young and adults, suffering from depression is increasing. Officials of health services, doctors and nursing students attended the event.
Akui machines the worries and other diabetes patient besu doctor machines among ourselves also meters neglect of those to Hanadi we neglect of area high Masi Mayam Sangana Loinama Koi Tabaxi Mamana Mate Pamanaga Masi depression is answer and Tanava suicide and Tanava Akway Tom Mesi.
Shopkeepers of Alu Gali in Thangal Bazaar appreciated the initiatives of Mahad Minister T.H. Shyamkumar to keep Imphal city neat and clean. Trainees Union DM College of Teacher Education Imphal today held Community Service and Extension Program at Raja Dumbra Destitute Women Home, Nongmeibung today. The program is a part of the syllabus prescribed by University Grant Commission. Trainees of B.Ed and M.Ed clean the home and its surroundings. They also washed the feet of the elderly women inmates of the home and distributed eatables to them. Faculty member of DM College of Teacher Education, Dr. T. Surendra said, teachers should not confine themselves in classrooms only but make themselves aware of the happenings in the state. He also emphasized the role of teachers in solving issues facing the society.
समाज के थबक तौरीबा असिगुम्बा हॉस्टल्स दिसदा अखोइना कॉलेज की तरफ तगी मतेंग तौजबा लाक्सबनी अवाटपा मयाम सि खितासु मेनखटपा ओइना हाइबदी ओजा हाइबसे क्लासरूम खक्तल यादे ओजा हाइबसी समाज के अवाबा मयाम दिसु थेंगनरक्तोइनी ओजा अमा ओइगे हाइतारदी छात्र ममा मपा अहल लमन थाइरो मयाम सि लोइन इंटरेक्ट तौदी याते मरमदी एजुकेशन असे समाज के मनुंग लइबनी माही तंबा हाइसे समाज के इरोइनना चत्तबा यादी अदना समाज बन ब्लॉकेट तोइन तौर अकांदा एजुकेशन अकाबे पिरई अदुना ओजा सिंग से स्कूल कॉलेज क्लास तुमिना लइबना यारक्तरे समाज की फननबा समाज सखननबा होनदबा यारक्तरे.
Socialist Students Union of Manipur has asked the government to hand over the Loktak scam case to the CBI. In a press release, the union urged the new government to understand the feeling of the people and act accordingly. Farmers depend on varieties of chemical fertilizers to increase their agricultural yields to meet the ever-increasing demand. People are exposed to different kinds of health hazards after long consumption of food produced using chemical fertilizers. Some farmers in Manipur have opted for organic farming to reduce the threat on human life. We bring your report.
Farmers who have adopted organic method of farming without the use of chemical fertilizers in a bid to promote organic food in the state are worried if they will be able to get back their investments. Thaunajam Nabachandra, a farmer in Morangpurel in Imphal East district, cultivates onion, cabbage, pumpkin in about 5 hectares of land and also raise fish and ducks to make integrated farming more successful. Various related departments had provided seeds under the Nongpok Imphal Longmi Shinmi Apunbalup. However, difficulties were faced in growing these plants since organic manure and other requirements were not provided. Nabachandra said if the government encourages organic farming, by next year many places in Morangpurel can adopt organic cultivation.
यूरियागुम करिगुम सेनरगा पोसी फन मे यारमने बदु हुई सो याद्रब अद पोसी फौ सो याद्रगा अखोई वखल सि मसी अखोई थारी पोसी मतम नमा तो तोरा अखोइदा अखोई पैसा नि मांगदोरि बा हाबि वखल gi awa badi adum ne doctor phau अखोई हुजि phau dum awa वखल से अखोई चाथोक याम फंगोइ हाबि awa बा सिमदे अखोई चेनर लाइर.
Nabachandra also expressed apprehension if there will be buyers looking at the poor quality of the products even after he invested a lot of time and hard work. The products have not grown in size. The farmers will also face a huge problem in selling these items since there is no market for organic food in the state. Nabachandra said if the situation does not improve, he will not be interested in organic farming anymore. With Ruben Saikom and Laitonjam Kanta, this is Priyo Barta for Impact News.
Kakching Foundation has asked all concerned to not use loudspeakers during Lai Haraupa. In a press release, the foundation has also appealed to authorities concerned to conduct a drive during Lai Haraupa to check use of loudspeakers. Haubam Pavan Kumar's Loktak Lairinbi has won the Best Film on Environment Conservation Preservation at the 64th National Film Award. The 64th National Film Award 2016 was announced today by the chairpersons of the juries on feature films, non-feature films, Best Writing on Cinema at National Media Centre, New Delhi. Director and producer Haubam Pavan Kumar's 72-minute long Loktak Lairinbi, Lady of the Lake, was awarded for Best Film on Environment, Conservation or Preservation. The award carries one citation, Rajat Kamal, and Rs 1.5 lakh each to the producer and director. The National Film Awards will be presented by President Pranab Mukherjee on May 3rd at Vigyan Bhavan, New Delhi. The citation says the film brings out the nuisance of and environmental issues in a heart-wrenching and touching manner. The film is based on a short story by Sahitya Academy awardee Sudhir Nauroibam. Sudhir Nauroibam and Haubam Paban Kumar are scriptwriters of the film. Shehnaz Jalal is a cinematographer and Shankha is the editor. Main cast are Ningthojam Sanatomba and Sagol Sem Tambalsang. Film Forum Manipur and MFDC have been observing Mamigi Numit on April 9 to mark the release of the first Manipuri film Matamgi Manipur on April 9, 1972. The nominees of the 5th Nongin Manipuri Music Videos Festival Award was announced as a part of the 11th Mamigi Numit. Addressing a press meet at Film Forum office at Lamphel, Chairman of the forum, El Surjakanta, said the Best Cartoonist Award will also be presented at the event. M. Surjit of Sanalai Bagh will be given the Best Journalist Award, while B. Bimoljit Sarma of Sangai Express will be given the Best Cartoonist Award for the year.
Music album top 10 aduga mai individual category da nominees mayam ama khangache hana mamang da muta pidri ba anbo ina daily paper da yauri ba cartoon gi section ama yauri ba sigi best cartoonist haba award ama hapasi na Lakshmi Narayan film production gi producer oibi ba Dr. Suresh Farmer health director oibi ba yaman akan election biri ba sina sponsor to bidana mana donor oibi dana hadaki
Manipuri feature film Mamlasanu Taibangpal was launched today at a function held at Wangkai Thangabad, Mapal today. The film will be produced by Ima Laishem Inat Loisang and directed by the renowned filmmaker Oken Amakcham. Reddy Menon, Yumnam, Nikki, Priyogopal, Banita and Sorojini are part of the film. Laipa Luangni is the lyricist and dialogue writer. Chairman of the Film Forum, El Surjakanta, said one should be proud that this kind of ethnic film is made in Manipur. Director Oken Namakchum said this film will play a vital role in promoting Manipuri culture.
Jagoi bakta hapasu aikoi ge jagoi isei mata sasu aikoi goi ba kitang touch jauba bisa chaksa da orsu aikoi gi tradition gi pot amakak honaba aduga ngasi gi mirol sida yam laira ba ma lere yamina khun ba ma lere adugi human sense yauna rakta ba sim sen pai ba sing param da ge salong parak pa matam da ai hanigi originality ke wakalo de he mang ko yauri ba ko som thika ta bri sen yam pai bo orsu kan ba jaga am de sen phalo la ka na magi pung wakal je bora on ba se Masina society da choba impact ama lakwa se sigi matang da so kitang utke na tharang tawi.
Now to sports news. The Indian Eves lost their third consecutive match in the 2018 AFC Women's Asia Cup qualification. In a Group B match played today at Kim Sung Stadium, Pyongyang, North Korea, Uzbekistan thrashed India 7-1. Indian captain NG Bala scored a lone goal in the 32nd minute of the match. South Korea, Hong Kong, India, Uzbekistan and host North Korea are competing in Group B. India meets Hong Kong next on the 9th of this month. H. Bhushan will meet Rahul Palme in the final of under-14 boys category of the 16 Governors Trophy cash prize tennis tournament. And of semi-final matches played today, H. Bhushan beat S. Biki 6-1, 6-1, while Rahul Palme beat A. Mahesh 7-5, 6-0. In the under-12 boys singles final of the tournament, S. Biki will meet H. Bhushan. In the under-12 boys category, H. Shankar won the final, while S. Ashwajit was the runner-up. The final of under-12 boys singles final will be played between H. Bhushan and S. Biki tomorrow at Officers Club, Deco Turf, Lamphilpat. 15 football players of Manipur along with 3 officials left for Guwahati to participate in the trial match of the Northeast State Grassroots Football Final organized by Northeast United FC. The players were selected at the trial matches held on March 10th and March 11th held at T.H. Birchandra Singh Football Academy, Taubungkok, under the supervision of the manager and coach of Northeast United FC. If the 15 players succeed in trial, they will get the opportunity to play for the Reliance Stamps Football Academy. The trial will be held tomorrow at 8 a.m. at Indira Gandhi Athletics Stadium, Sarusuzai.
Final selection the Manipur dagi oina khanba ayamba academy sigi players sing hoji ngasimak Guwahati da khoi khongsa liba ngang tranga si Reliance Stamps Football Academy Mumbai da lainabagi khudongjaba phangnaba satpa adugumba Northeast ki final yawba salibani aduga mamang dasu academy asidagi angang tramathoi Northeast Stamps Reliance Academy da laikre.
Before we end the bulletin, a quick look at the headlines once again. Cybercrime unit arrests 16 persons, including 12 students, in connection with uploading of Class 12 examinations on social media. Chief Minister, in his first visit to Hill District, sees Indira Gandhi National Tribal University Regional Campus in Makhan. Amuko extends help to landslide victims of Sirarakong and Ukrul district. Farmers who opted for organic farming are worried about marketing their products. And Pavan Kumar's Loktak Light NB bags Best Film on Environment Conservation.